Welcome to our production workshop. We are a professional manufacturer specializing in the manufacturing of mesh shelves. This is our efficient and orderly production site, where every product is born. We use high-quality materials to ensure that our products have excellent load-bearing capacity and durability. The materials are carefully selected to meet the strength requirements of industrial-grade storage racks. The welding process adopts high-standard technology to ensure a sturdy structure and safer use. Each weld seam is carefully polished to ensure smooth edges and no burrs. The surface treatment process adopts powder coating or electroplating technology, effectively preventing rust and corrosion. Not only does it enhance the appearance and texture, but it also greatly extends the product's lifespan. Strict quality inspection processes run through every production stage. We support customized packaging and fast shipping services. Professional manufacturing, attention quality. We adhere to customer-oriented approach. Create high-quality mesh storage racks. Welcome more customers to visit the factory and negotiate cooperation.